This guide will show you how to purchase using the TecDoc parts catalogue in the full document view. First of all, select Franchise Point of Sale in the menu on the left-hand side. Then open up the Purchase folder and then open up a purchase order. You will then need to go down to the bottom left-hand corner and select Full Document View. To create a new purchase order, click in the white space around the header and press F3, then press in the white space again. You will then need to include your vendor by pressing on the up arrow and then searching for the vendor you require. You can do this by clicking in the name and pressing Ctrl and F3. You will then be able to search for the vendor required. Then click OK in the bottom corner. This will then automatically fill in the vendor information. You will then need to go down to Functions at the bottom of your screen and click Open Parts Catalogue. This will then open the new TecDoc Parts Catalogue. To search by a vehicle reg, enter the registration in GB VRM and then press Search. This will then open up the parts catalogue but will only give you parts that are suited to your vehicle. Using the images at the bottom of your screen, you can then open up the type of products you are wanting to look for. This will then bring it in on the menu on the left-hand side. By pressing the plus button, you will be given more choices to help narrow down your search. If you would like to continue narrowing this down, you can press on the plus buttons next to some of the parts. So for example, I'm going to press on the plus next to disc brake. You can then select the product you would like to look at, so in this example, brake disc. This will then give you a list of manufacturers you can then use. You can now select the manufacturer of the product you wish to purchase. This will give you a list of products that the manufacturer offers for that specific vehicle. Once you've chosen the product you would like to put on your purchase order, press the shopping trolley next to that product. You will then see this appear in your shopping basket at the top of your screen. If you would like to search through the entire catalogue rather than on a specific vehicle, press Universal at the top of your screen. This will then give you a list on the left-hand side of the screen of products you can choose from. You can also search at the bottom of the list for a specific product. You can also search using an article number, so go to Vehicle/Article Search at the top of the screen. You can then type in the part number into the article number section and press Search. This will then give you a list of products that link to the product number. So find the product group you require and then press on the manufacturer you require. This will then bring up the product you want. Select the product by clicking on the shopping trolley. This will then be included in your shopping basket. Click on the shopping basket at the top of your screen to see the items you have chosen to put into your purchase order. You can delete products here and you can increase or decrease the quantity in this screen. Once you are happy with your selection, close the window down with the cross at the top right hand corner of your screen and press Get Basket. This will then import those items into your purchase order. You can then finish off your purchase order by typing your vendor shipment number in and your vendor invoice number. You can then go down to Posting at the bottom of the screen and click Post and Print or just Post. You will then be asked whether or not you are receiving, invoicing or receiving and invoicing your purchase order. To check that your items have come into stock, go to Match Code in the menu on the left hand side and type in the product name in your match code. You can also search by your product number. This guide has now finished. For more guides, please visit bit.ly/gripsguides or call the Grips support team on 0208 328 9818.